Nanjing Blue Sky Filter Company Limited, established in 2009, is a professional manufacturer specialized in various air filters research, development, production, sales, and service. We has obtained certificates of ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 to manage our operation in a scientific and standard way, dedicated to strict quality control and attentive customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We sincerely hope to cooperate with you. Welcome to contact us.